For the birds in the cages. They're fighting. I don't know. Just only the pigeon is there and the blackbirds. Oh no.
Stealing its eggs.
All right.
And the magpie's going in. Like,
The magpie is wind also, so they're so hungry now. The magpie over there.
they're all stealing the pigeon eggs.
The pigeon eggs. She tried to chase the blackbirds. Was there another one over there? Oh no, the magpie is coming out now. Oh, they eating the eggs. 2 magpie and 1 blackbird.
They took the eggs, did
Yeah,
they?
they took already. They eaten by the magpie.
Ah.
By the eggs of this pigeon. Poor pigeon. That's it. That's why they're fighting the blackbirds and the magpie. Because of the eggs. So that's it. It's all gone already. Have eggs. Over there. In that small hedges in the corner. Oh, poor birds. She's sad now. Look at the pigeon. They're sad.
But the baby was
Yeah, the eggs.
so sad.
Her eggs is gone. Eaten by the magpie and the blackbirds. Oh.
And
Look at that. She's still sad. Look at her. She don't know what to do.
Mommy,
The,
what is it?
the pigeon, look, she's sad. She doesn't even move. She know that it's gone. There's nothing she can do. She's devastated.
Maybe her got away another egg.
Your future baby is gone. The eggs.
All her babies were gone.
Baby eggs, the eggs. Been eaten by the magpie. 2 magpie and the blackbirds. They're fighting. Now they're all gone. So now she tried to chase the blackbirds. Now it's gone. She's there.
Should have lived in there.
Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.